This could be the car for you. The 2023 Land Rover Discovery. Explore your world in the confidence and comfort that can only come with this superior Discovery. An unmatched blend of posh style and go-anywhere capability places this impressive SUV at the pinnacle of its class. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, heated front seat, dual zone AC, third row seat, Bluetooth connection, rear AC. Seize the moment and drive this outstanding Discovery. Come in for a road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.